are going to see what is inside 2.0 multimedia computer speaker. I also don't know what is inside. Let's see together. This is the speaker. First we are going to open the screws. Okay, I took out 2 screws. There's another screw inside it, so we are going to open it. After getting some ideas from my father, I'm going to tell you how it works. Through this wire, the electric pulse passes. This resistor controls the electric pulse. Decreases when the electric pulse is high. There are 2 types of magnets in this. This is the permanent magnet. This is the permanent magnet. Inside this, there is an electric magnet which converts electric pulse to sound. This is how it works. I took the wires from the chip. Now we are going to see what is inside this. So for that, we are going to open this. As my sister is good at killing things, I am going to give this to my sister to open. My sister completed the work I gave her. This is what is inside this. I think this is the copper wire. This was the copper wire which I told you. This creates the electric field.
Current is sent through the copper coil, which produces an electric field that interacts with the magnetic field of the permanent magnet. This makes the diaphragm to move back and forth and thus converts electric signal to sound signal in a speaker.
I hope you like this video. Next time I will meet you with another interesting device. Until then, it's bye bye from Tanushree.